That's it, that's all.
It's run and breed, run and breed. Niggas wanna envy me, envy me. Niggas know it's run and breed, run and breed. Niggas wanna envy me, envy me. She a light-skinned John, and she fire. They get no hotter.
What's good, RB gang? It's your girl Bree, and I am back with another video. So today I'm trying to hurry up because he's downstairs about to come back up. We're about to go to Bath and Body Works, but today's video I am finally going to prank this boy back. I am going to be doing the acting ratchet hood, whatever you want to call it, in front of my boyfriend. So what I'm going to tell him is we're vlogging. You know, I just want to say what's up to the vlog or whatever. Right now I'm just dressed regular. I'm about to change my shoes and stuff. It's raining out, so I really don't like, you know, I really don't want to change or nothing because I was in like some other outfit, but it's hot, it's rainy, it's humid. I just want to be comfortable, but I'm still act ratchet and hood. So before we get into this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell to get notified when we drop a new and for a post notification shout out, just comment anything productive, positive. Follow our Instagram at RonnaBree2eyes, our TikTok RonnaBree2eyes, and now let's get into the video. Hey y'all, so we in the car now, on our way over there. Are you gonna say what's up to the vlog?
Huh?
Are you gonna say what's up to the vlog?
I didn't even know you were vlogging.
Well, I decided to take the camera because we needed to talk to them. That nigga needs to wait.
What's up, RB? Get it.
I need more gum. You want one? Yeah. I know.
Right here. At the red light.
Why you gotta go in there? Can't see shit. Sorry y'all, it's kind of dark in here. It's kind of dark in here, y'all. I'm trying to put on my lip gloss.
I like to go by yourself. Like I said, my shirt was like an alien. Like my car go backwards when I'm on the hill. You need to start using your signal.
Sometimes you forget too.
No, I don't.
No, you be forgetting. Who do you think he is? Y'all, I forgot my hoop earrings. I think they're nice. I love when he drives fast. I be like, I guess that's where we need to be in 2.5 seconds. Just like that. My boo know how to drive. Right, baby daddy? Right? Right? You don't hear me talking to you? Why you not responding?
Why are you talking?
Talking like what? Y'all can't see me. This boy keeps smiling like something funny, like I'm a joke.
Right.
How much gas? Go to the gas station. I got some money.
Oh my God, shut up.
No, I just. Excuse me. We vlogging. Let's go. You're not hungry, right? Okay, I'm just making sure. Don't you gotta go to the gas station?
Yeah, but I gotta go there first. I gotta go back this way.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to wherever the hell we taking his friends at. And that's it. That's all. Anything you need to say?
Yeah, it's not true. Don't like that.
No.
Stop.
Alright, y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all, so we at the hotel. And he dropping his friend on that. And I don't really know what to do because he knows that I don't act like this. So I'm trying to think like I'm gonna try to yell at him a little bit. Chewing all this gum in my mouth make my mouth hurt. So I'm gonna be like really trying here. My mouth wants to really hurt. I'm trying to make sure he doesn't see me. Sorry if y'all don't hear me. I got the AC on, but alright, so he's coming back. Alright, so he's coming back. Let's see what I can do. He just came in here. That's the most thing. He just came in here. I'm gonna smack my gum in his ear because he reached over me. I'm really gonna try to get as much footage as we can. I don't know what his reaction gonna be because he probably gonna get tight if I start yelling at him like, no, you know, like that. He don't like that shit. I know it's gonna get him tight. He probably wanna go back home. I want my stuff. Let's hope he doesn't wanna go home. But if we get that reaction, hey, that's even better. Let's get into it.
That's where they transport us from. If you go to jail.
What do you mean they transport y'all?
From West Safe.
No, but I mean from out of here. Took forever. My stomach's starting to hurt. No, it's not.
Are you vlogging with music on?
Oh yeah, forgot about that.
Pay attention.
You pay attention. You pay attention.
Keep telling me that to me.
I keep telling you that. All right, I just said go to the gas station. You.
Crash into that Tesla. Stop playing with your gum in my car. You're gonna be scrubbing.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
I'm going to your car and spit gum on your seat.
It's in my mouth. So how are you feeling today? You look extremely tired.
Jason, be quiet.
Yeah, he wanna listen to music.
I don't.
This is a starter. This is our first time. He always wanna listen to music.
Fix this up. What is it?
There's cops everywhere over here.
Come on! Stop eating gum like that. This shit's annoying. Fuck, I'm about to smack the gum out your mouth.
I'm enjoying the flavor of my gum. Is there a problem?
Enjoy it quietly.
Is there a problem?
Yes, it's annoying.
Well, deal with it.
No, I'll kick you out this car. They be walking your ass back and get your own car.
Alright?
Driving.
I don't care. Oh, this is a nice car. That's carbon fiber, however you call it. My baby father put a ring on it. Put it on to make him wanna marry me. Can you put it on to make him wanna marry me? What?
Annoying.
Put it on to make him wanna marry me. Cause I put it on and now he wanna marry me.
No, that's not why I want to marry you.
I know why you're gonna marry me. It's a song.
Why? Keep the facts straight.
You get your facts straight.
I'm gonna punch you in the face. Driving, I got a headache. I'm tired. I didn't even know you was vlogging today.
You could talk and vlog.
What?
You need to. I don't know why you turn down this hot ass car with these damn tints on
I'm
it.
only turning it up so I can hear the AC and not your voice.
I will slap the shit out of you.
Oh!
No! Where you going?
Can't even see you.
I don't care. He can hear me.
Let's get us right now. So keep moving straight. Bitch.
What? What you just said?
What are you talking
Oh.
about? Look at you.
What?
Look at you.
Look at you.
I don't know what to talk about. Stop trying to force me to. I don't know what to talk about.
Who you talking to?
You.
Who are you talking to?
You.
Who are you talking to?
You.
Who are you talking to? Do it. Car. Take that $10. Take that $10. I'm not playing with you. Oh, chewing this gum is like, Jesus Christ. I'm tired of chewing this gum. My jaw hurt.
What?
He's starting to get tight and annoyed. I don't know what else to do. I'm trying, cause I'm not like this, so I'm trying to think like, oh God, I'm trying to figure out what to do. We right here getting gas right now, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when he get back to the car. Oh, he coming right now, so we share, right? Yeah, it's my car too. Yes, it is. No, I don't care. I can have my own car and still have your car too, cause I'm like that. I'm like that. The hell? All them people in that damn car look like you. Shut the hell up.
We down the block.
I'm getting on the highway now. Oh, are you stupid?
What? He's supposed to turn.
That's how we do it. You don't, like you said, bully niggas on the road. Don't be a bitch made ass nigga waiting for these niggas, alright? No!
Never stop talking. Shut up.
You never stop talking. Is there a problem?
Yes.
What's the problem?
Shut up.
Deal with it. Oh, he going crazy. He's going nuts. Y'all can't even see. You can tell by that. Babe! Sometimes he scares me when he does this shit. Woo! Babe! Going dumb right now. This nigga driving nuts. About to kill us all. Don't be acting stupid. Hello. Hello.
What?
Don't be pushing me off of you when I'm touching what's
Ah,
mine.
you stretching my shirt out. Watch out.
Who cares? I can wash it again. I like my shirts big. I can wash it again. Shit. Got me thug. This big ass, doofy ass truck won't come up in front of us with all them damn stickers on his damn car. What?
What?
Want some?
Oh, shut up my face.
You eat everything else out my mouth like a bird.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Mr. Chirp Chirp. Boom. Right? Boom. Tell him. I'm about to send him off to my mama house. You need me to pat your head? I know that shit itchy. I'ma touch what's mine. Shit. Got me messed up. Get in your lane. Put it on and make him wanna marry me. Let go. Let go. Drive. I will take the AirPods out. So he mad because I'm talking in his ear. So he wanna play music, but I don't care. That's the thing. I don't care. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get a little bit closer. Peace. We at Bath and Body Works now. We're walking into it. I don't know if he's starting. I don't know if he's starting to catch on or not. But we here. So I'm gonna get y'all when we get in there.
Come here.
Smell this. This smells not good.
I think I'm gonna get this out. I can't even record because copyright.
Okay, I could do this for buy. No, I could do this for buy.
Listen. You gotta relax yourself.
Hold that. Get 2 free.
What's good, RB fam? Had to come in the car because the baby started fussing and we don't know why she's fussing. So we fed her, changed her, she just fussing. She probably wants somebody to hold her, but so Bree's still in Bath and Body's shopping. She's still in Bath and Body Works shopping. So I'm just staying in the car for her. This one back there, always causing a scene, right? Always causing a scene. But it's okay. That's my baby. I'm about to watch some TikToks. If y'all want a shout out on TikTok, go follow our TikTok at Ron and Bree 2 eyes, just like our Instagram at Ron and Bree 2 eyes, and comment on any video done, and you just comment on any video of ours done, and we'll shout you out. I see y'all when I see y'all whenever she get out the store, so I'm gonna finish watching some TikToks.
We back on the highway. I got my things. As I wanted to get. My best friend is on the phone. And we about to go home. I'm hungry again. But I don't know what I'm gonna get to eat. So I'm gonna inform y'all on that when, huh? He keeps starting. He keeps starting. I'm gonna inform y'all when I get back home or figure out if we want to get something to eat. So. Say hi to the vlog.
Yeah, I look crazy.
Peace.
Yeah. We're finally home. But she wanna go get something to eat. Don't understand why we just can't go upstairs and go to sleep. Cause I'm tired as hell. Tired as hell. Even though I'm tired, I'm thinking I'm slack. Alright. But let me stop. Yeah, she about to go get something to eat. Back, go home, go to sleep, knock out.
Shut up!
Yo, put my shit back on!
What? Yeah, y'all, so we was at Wendy's. That's all. Pay attention to what you're doing. Don't crash us, alright? Don't crash us. Where?
Right there. Awkward. Oh, it's not. Oh, it's hot.
Alright, I got my Wendy's. Hey!
Hi.
I got my Wendy's.
You got Jesus.
Alright, you want to start, right? This is what I do for a living.
Come on, put your shit back in there.
It's napkins. Deal with it. Oh,
What?
the baby.
She stopped there.
What did she fly out the window?
I was eating like that because it was hot. You didn't want to play around.
Now we're going to McDonald's for my best friend. Right?
She really be talking like she's helping till she get her shit knocked out.
Oh! Been starting with me all day.
Where's that TikTok?
You're head of my ass.
I'm out.
What the fuck going on?
I'm surprised at.
Right there.
Watch, my baby's gonna have a birthday party in this bitch.
This chicken nugget.
I'm gonna rent this whole shit out. How much is this shit? Like $1,000 to rent out?
I don't know.
You think it's like $1,000 to rent out?
Probably.
Fuck that.
Yeah.
Who told you you could be eating my fries? Hurry up, let's go.
Hurry up and do what?
Taking too long to get to goddamn McDonald's.
Alright.
This slow ass. I'ma start calling her friend, right? Watch. She gonna get. Yes, we are.
What is a friend?
Yes, we are.
I don't know what's a friend.
We are best friends.
We're not.
Hello. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
How long you gonna vlog for? God, you keep saying the same thing over and over.
I don't care, cause you making me lose my train of thought.
Over and over and over and over and over and over.
You know what? Your shitty ass. Where do you think we are going?
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri, fly us to McDonald's.
All right. Later. Hey y'all, so we made it back home. Don't mind the clothes in the bed. We just did laundry. We're about to fold those. But we made it back home. So did you know I was pranking you today? Well, it wasn't really a prank, but it kind of was. But the reaction, it was acting ratchet, hood, whatever, in front of my boyfriend. I thought you was gonna be like, oh, I'm turning this car right back around, we go home, something like that. But I got a good reaction out of him. What would you say?
Yeah.
Alright y'all, so the camera's about to die, but I hope you guys like this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell to get notified when we drop a new video, and go post notifications, shout out, comment down anything productive, positive, period. Remember to follow us on our social medias, as I said in the beginning, and remember to tell a friend to tell a friend,
Tell a grandma, tell an uncle,
tell an auntie, to tell whoever,
to tell the world.
because we out here. Peace.
Yeah, so a light-skinned John when I walk through the door. See a Spanish mommy, oh my god, this is really fat. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Wanna tell her come on over, I don't even care if you drunk or you sober.